Do you often get confused about when to use at, on, or in when talking about time? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll break it all down with simple tips, fun examples, and easy tricks to help you master these essential prepositions. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to talk about specific times, days, and longer periods like a pro. Ready to level up your English? Let's get started.
One, I wake up at 7 o'clock every morning.
2, my birthday is on May 15th.
3, usually go swimming in summer.
4, the train arrives at 9:30 p.m.
5, I met her on a rainy day.
6, she was born in 1998.
7, let's have lunch at noon.
8, they got married on Christmas Eve.
9, he always takes a walk in the evening.
10, the movie starts at midnight.
11, we went hiking on Sunday.
12, I'll see you in an hour.
13, the class starts at 8 a.m. sharp.
14, there's a party on New Year's Day.
15, we'll visit you in December.
'She called me at lunchtime.
'We have a meeting on Monday morning.
'He moved to London in the 1980s.
The bus leaves at 3:15 p.m.
They will arrive on the weekend. I was born in March 2008.
Let's meet at 2 p.m. tomorrow.
We'll start decorating on Halloween.
The flowers bloom in spring.
He left the house at dawn. He called me on my birthday.
The exam is in 3 weeks.
I have a dentist appointment at 10:30 a.m.
We saw fireworks on Independence Day.
I'll finish the project in a few days.
She goes to bed at 10 o'clock every night.
The concert is on Friday night.
I started my new job in September.
I arrived at the airport at sunset. We traveled on the first day of the month.
He bought his car in 2021.
The bakery opens at 6 a.m.
They celebrated on Thanksgiving Day.
39 I'll call you back in a moment. "40. She finishes her work at midnight.
"41. We had a picnic on a sunny afternoon.
"42. I moved into this house in June.
"43. The meeting starts at 9:15.
"44. He proposed to her on Valentine's Day. "45. The festival takes place in autumn.
"46. The store closes at 11 p.m.
I'll see you on the day of the exam.
"48. We visited the museum in the morning.
"49. We left home at 6:30 a.m. "50. The event is on Saturday afternoon.
"51. She loves reading in the afternoon.
"52. The show begins at 8:15 p.m.
"53. He arrived on his wedding anniversary.
"54. They will move to a new house in the future.
"55. I usually drink coffee at breakfast time.
"56. She goes jogging on weekends. "57. We will meet in 5 minutes.
"58. The plane landed at 5:45 a.m.
59. The workshop is on Tuesday evening.
$60. He visited Japan in the 19th century.
If you find this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to watch more videos. Thanks for watching.